All 92 UNDP Accelerator labs are working on challenges that are addressing all 17 global goals.
They experiment, accelerate learnings related to agriculture, waste management, COVID-19, informality, and unemployment, to name a few.
We are at the cutting edge, untried, untested. So don't wait for permission. Take initiative, go ahead, and if you must, apologize later.
The private sector, local entrepreneurs, and grassroots communities, these collectively bring new insights on the table.
Beyond creating new jobs, we're future-proofing those jobs.
In Côte d'Ivoire, we are working the ecosystem.
Our network is working out loud. Through blogs, we share our learnings, our findings, and our reflections. We have published more than 300 blogs in 2020.
ACLAV Nepal got to explore and test new technologies, like introducing robotics to strengthen healthcare system and test digital skills mapping platform for socioeconomic recovery.
The Argentina ACLAV strongly believes in empathy. The key is starting from home.
As a global network, we've identified over 1,700 grassroots innovations, 1,100 of which we have documented and codified according to 250 different development themes.
In Azerbaijan, leading digital transformation in business and healthcare, as well as building back greener. We believe in the power of innovation to reimagine development.
In Jordan, our biggest success was becoming more clear on our team's purpose, vision, and priorities, which will power everything we do.
In Colombia, we learned to recognize the contribution of grassroots innovators and collective intelligence to shape sustainable development in left-behind territories.
We have learned and demonstrated how the fourth industrial revolution technologies, as well as grassroots innovations, can help address air pollution and farmers' livelihoods in India.
Through local solutions in Iraq, we are contributing to saving lives that are on the edge of passing away from the one they love.
Complex challenge you want to solve. Hold the space, emphasize, and look around. There is always someone to join you in this journey.
As a new way to understand the complexities of Lebanon at any given moment, we designed and rolled out a series of workshops that turn conversation and dialogue into a habit.
In Turkey, we learned digital world is full of opportunities, but there is no alternative for physical engagement while trying to build a community.
In 2020, we ran 3 virtual boot camps and onboarded 32 new labs representing 38 countries around the world. Here are some of those labs sharing what they have in store for us.
In Panama, our goal for 2021 is to accelerate learning by finding those actors who are traditionally not represented and integrating them into the core of the lab's work.
An action is to understand housing rehabilitation by using collective intelligence for La Paz Urban Innovation Lab.
In El Salvador, we will build knowledge on water quality and economic development, learning about behaviors and decisions around this vital resource.
Advocating systems thinking, we aim to test potential solutions on urbanizations in megapolitans, medium-sized cities, and villages throughout Indonesia.
In Peru, we aim to become an oasis where the country office can take the time to build skills to better understand their users and the future of development.
So in 2021, Bhutan team aspires to be agile, creative, innovative, and most importantly, accelerate learning.
We will be accelerating learning towards the SDGs through innovative environmental climate actions, smart agriculture for youth unemployment, and COVID-19 socioeconomic recovery programs.
Since the establishment of our lab, we have been designing processes to accelerate the development goals in our country, the Republic of North Macedonia, particularly in the realm of good governance.
We look forward to working on efficient delivery of public services by identifying positive deviance within the system.
SDG challenges is really an interesting journey. ACLAV is a smart connector for solutions in Bangladesh.
ACLAV Mongolia will try to understand what works for whom and in what context, and try to act humbly as well as try to embrace uncertainty.
In Guatemala, we want to learn how society and public institutions can collaborate to increase resilience to climate change.
In Uruguay, we look forward to innovating to expand our possible futures for greater equity and inclusion.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.